1.2. When this is simplified, what does the answer become? Okay, so you're not even going to look at these. You're just going to go solve this. Okay, so let's go write that down. Okay, now you should know your exponent rules. The first thing is that you are not going to multiply these 3's together and say that the answer is 9. If you did that, that's not correct. Remember, if we have something like a to the 3 and a to the 2, then what does that become? Well, that becomes a to the 5. How did I do that? Well, the exponent rule tells us that when these are the same, you don't change it. You see how it stays a? So when these are the same, you don't change it. Some of you are like, yeah, but Kevin, 3 times 3 is 9. I understand, guys, but this is not 3 times 3. This is 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x plus 3. So you can't just say 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So you have to stick to your exponent rules. And so what that means is that at the top, you are going to leave it as a 3, and then you are going to add these exponents. Okay, so you're going to add them. So they'll become x plus x, which is 2x, and then the plus 3 will still be there. And then at the bottom, we still have this. Now, don't cancel the 3's out. Remember, it's not 3 divided by 3. There are exponents involved. So we have to use exponent rules. So what would a7 over a3 become? Well done if you remember that that becomes a4. Why? Because you minus them. The top one minus the bottom one. So that's exactly what we're going to do. But notice that the a and the a stays a. So in the same way, 3 and 3 will remain a 3. We don't change that. A lot of learners make mistakes here. Okay, so now we're going to minus them. So we're going to say 2x plus 3 minus this. So because that is 2 terms, I'm going to put it in a bracket so that the minus can go to the x and it can go to the 2. Some learners only give it to the x. So it's going to become minus x minus 2. And if you had to work this out, your 2x minus x would become an x, and your 3 minus 2 would become a 1. And so that is the answer. 3 to the power of x plus 1, which is a.